Good morning, everyone. Myself, Muralidhara Reddy. In this video, we are going to discussing about exploring the options in declarative pipeline, part 1. Let's say, okay. Earlier, we saw, right, what are the major options is available. We can, now this video will see like, just about the particular options, okay. First one, agent declaration. What is agent declaration? If you want to run the particular pipeline, the whether you want to run in master node or slave node, we can define inside the agent declaration only. This agent declaration we can define inside the pipeline tag. Also, we can stage level also we can define. Okay, you can define stage level or enter pipeline level also we can define the particular agent declaration. Example, if you see here, we can define like this. For example, pipeline open tag, I'm defining agent any. It means it will be run any server, either master node or slave node, whatever is available, that particular job will be run the particular node only. Okay. Next one, coming to the stages. Stages we can declare inside the pipeline tag. Okay. Inside the entire pipeline, stages only one. Inside the stages, we can declare multiple stage. Example, if you see here, pipeline open close, agent any, and here stages open close. Inside the stages, we can define multiple stages. Example, stage is nothing but clone the repository one stage, build the code, okay, store in artifact one stage, we can define like that. Okay. Next one, coming to that, stage declaration. Stage declaration, inside the stages, we can declare multiple stage. Stage, as I said, stage is nothing but you can define a clone the repository one stage, build the code one stage, we can define. Okay. This stage in this particular stage should be inside the stages only. Okay. Example, if you see here, you are seeing the diagram, right? Here it is cloning the repository one stage, build the code is one stage, and deploying in Tomcat is the one stage. Okay. We can define multiple stages inside the pipeline. If you want, you can define the multiple stages inside the pipeline tag, inside the stages option. Okay. Coming to the steps. What is the steps declaration? Step declaration is nothing but inside the stage we will be declare the steps. Example, you are going to build the code. Okay. If you want to build the code, you need to use the mvn command, right? If it is Java-based application, if you are using build tool is Maven, you have to define, right, mvn space ss mvn, and you have to clean the repository and you have to verify or install, right? That information we can define inside the stages only. Okay. For example, if it is Linux or Mac OS, how we can set up using SSH, it will be support. Example, if you see here, steps, I'm giving SSH. SSH is nothing but shell script. If you want to run any commands shell related, we can use SSH. Single quotation, echo. Echo is nothing but it will be print the line, right? And if you see here, SSH, triple single quotations. Okay, and I have defined multiple lines. If you want to define multiple lines, you can use the single triple quotations. Okay, got it, right? This is for Linux and Windows. What about Linux and Mac OS? What about Windows? Windows will be declared bad. Okay, Windows will be declared bad. Got it, right? What I'm saying here? For Linux, will be Linux and Mac OS will be sh command to run the particular commands inside the steps directory, steps option. But when it comes to the Windows, if you want to run it, you can use the bat. Okay, if you observe here, bat mvn clean deploy and also PowerShell, I'm running the particular PowerShell command. Okay, got it, right? And let's see the sample example, you will get more idea what are the options is available. Come here, if you observe here, these are sample pipelines. Okay, if you see here, we have a pipeline open close, and I'm defining the agent is any, because this particular job, either it will be run master or slave node, whatever is available that particular server in that particular time. Okay, and coming to the stages, as I said, right, inside the pipeline we will be declare only one stages. Inside the stages, we can declare multiple stages. Example, I have declared stage build the code. Okay. Inside the stage, as I said, like we can declare the steps. Okay. This is a Linux. That is the reason I'm using sh mvn clean verify. Okay. What will happen? This command will be run when you use the sh. It will be support for Linux and Mac OS. In case if it is a Windows, we have to use install sh. We have to use the bat command. Okay. Got it, right? This is the sample pipeline. Okay. Both agents, stages, steps options. Okay, I hope understand that. I will also write that step-by-step process later part. I will show you the demo. You no need to worry much about this, but you will get some idea, right? How can what are the steps is available? How can write that particular declarative pipeline, right? Fine. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I will try to respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you next video.